Can I remove PayPal from Facebook Ads Manager? Yes, you can remove PayPal from Facebook, now called Meta Ads Manager. As of December 17th, 2025, Meta supports the removal of PayPal as a payment method, allowing you to switch to other options for your ad spending. This video will guide you through the process step by step. There are several compelling reasons why users choose to remove PayPal from their Facebook Ads Manager. Understanding these motivations can help you make informed decisions about your payment methods. One common reason is switching to a different payment provider. PayPal works well for many, but some users prefer credit cards for reward points or direct debit for automatic processing without manual intervention. Security concerns are another major factor. If you've had issues with unauthorized transactions or data breaches involving PayPal, removing it from Ads Manager prevents potential misuse of your ad budget. Streamlining your billing process is a practical reason. Managing multiple payment methods can be confusing, so removing PayPal allows you to centralize your ad payments and track them more easily. Privacy preferences also drive this decision. By removing PayPal, you limit the amount of data shared between Meta and PayPal, which can be important for users concerned about how their financial information is handled. Overall, removing PayPal from Facebook Ads Manager reduces the risk of unauthorized charges and provides greater control over your ad spending. Whether for security, convenience, or privacy, it's a decision that many advertisers make to better manage their accounts. To access payment settings for removing PayPal, start by logging into Meta Ads Manager at adsmanager.facebook.com or Meta Business Manager at business.facebook.com. In Ads Manager, navigate to Billing and then select Payment Methods. In Business Manager, go to Account and then Billing. The latest versions of the iOS and Android Meta Business Suite app also allow you to manage your payment methods directly from mobile. In the Payment Methods section, locate your PayPal account in the list. Click the Remove button next to it. You may be prompted to enter your PayPal password for security. If requested, add an alternative payment method, such as a credit card or bank account, to ensure your ads continue running without interruption. Finally, save your changes and check for a confirmation email, which usually arrives within 24 to 48 hours. Before removing PayPal from your Facebook Ads Manager, there are several important considerations to keep in mind to ensure a smooth process. First, check for any outstanding ad balances or pending refunds. Meta will block the removal if funds are tied to active campaigns or unpaid fees. This includes amounts that may be held for 7 to 14 days after your campaigns conclude. Next, review any active subscriptions or ad boosts linked to PayPal. These connections can prevent removal and may cause interruptions to your campaigns if not addressed first. Finally, designate an alternative payment method as your primary option. This ensures your advertising campaigns continue without interruption when PayPal is removed. When removing PayPal from Facebook Ads Manager, you might encounter common issues that prevent the removal. The most frequent error is seeing a message like "Payment Method in Use." This typically occurs because PayPal is still linked to an active ad campaign, subscription, or other billing activity. To resolve this, you need to thoroughly check all your ad accounts and business settings to ensure PayPal is not being used anywhere. Start by reviewing your Meta Business Manager settings for any connected accounts or subscriptions. Then, examine your Ads Manager to verify that no active campaigns are tied to PayPal. If you continue to experience problems, Meta's Business Help Center offers detailed guides, or you can reach out to Meta support for personalized assistance. Digital payment management is evolving rapidly. Meta is integrating AI for predictive billing alerts, notifying users before removals could impact campaigns. This trend is shifting towards digital wallets, with a 30% increase in users opting for them over traditional cards. In the future, Meta may transition to blockchain-based payment systems, potentially deprecating methods like PayPal. Regulatory pressures from the EU DMA and US FTC are also pushing for easier removal processes with automated tools. Real-world examples show that many businesses have successfully removed PayPal from Facebook Ads Manager to streamline billing processes and reduce security risks. For example, a US-based e-commerce seller running Instagram ads switched from PayPal to a direct debit card, resulting in cost savings and uninterrupted campaigns. Experts in digital marketing recommend auditing payment methods quarterly to maintain better control over ad spending and account security. Meta's official guidance emphasizes that PayPal removal should only be done when necessary to prevent disruptions in active advertising campaigns. Industry reports from sources like Statista project a decline in PayPal usage on ad platforms as businesses increasingly adopt alternatives with better analytics and lower fees. In conclusion, removing PayPal from Facebook Ads Manager can provide greater security, cost efficiency, and flexibility for managing advertising payments on Meta platforms.